Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix John Carpenter's toxic Commando crashing, not launching, freezing, or black screen issues on PC. First, restart Steam. Exit Steam completely and relaunch it. If that doesn't work, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Next, verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the verification is complete, launch the game. If the game still crashes, open Steam, right-click the game, Manage, Browse Local Files. Find the game.exe file, right-click it, go to Properties, and enable Run this program as administrator. You can also try Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Another fix is to allow the game through antivirus and firewall. Open Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Ransomware Protection, and add the game exe file to the allowed apps list. Also, allow the game through Windows Defender Firewall. You can also try Launch Options. Right-click the game in Steam, Properties, Launch Options, and type -DX11. If that doesn't work, try -DX12. If it still doesn't work, uninstall the game, then reinstall in C drive. One of these methods should help fix the crashing problem. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.